Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how to translate your WordPress website to get more traffic. So before we go further, as you can see, we are at WordPress, and if we open this another tab, you can see this is called G Translate, and this is the free plugin. So if we scroll down, you can see they have offered to WordPress and Joomla and Shopify, Squarespace, and HTML. And if you scroll down more, you can see website translation made easy. You can play that, you can watch that video if you want, and there are at least, like, you can see how much downloads are there, and 500,000 plus active websites are using this plugin, and it's free for the starters, right? So obviously we will go and talk about the pricing, but for now we need to understand why this plugin is very popular out there. So this plugins offers you like a visitor. Just suppose a visitor visits your website, and they can simply select their language, right, from the top left corner, from the right corner, whatever you will set it up. I will show you. The entire website will automatically translate to their native language. So they just need to click on somewhere like from the top left corner, from the top right corner, and the whole website will translate to their native language. And this plugin also offers like creating new additional URLs, and even users like in other countries will be able to find your website. You know how? Because Google also track, if someone's going to search my website from Spain, they will end up showing that that website with their native language, because Google knows like how which country writing, what I'm saying, like whatever they are typing, what language they are typing, Google also tracking that. So in that way we can also engage them. So there is also one more feature which I like personally like, that is this plugin will automatically translate the WooCommerce emails sent to your customer. You know, if a customer receiving my email at Spain, so they will receive like Spanish language, and if someone's getting like at Arab area, so they will get like Arabic language, right? So that's one of my points. So this plugin I think is one of the best, and it's free. So how you can just add that, so I'm just going to show you from now. So once you are at your WordPress website, you can see over here on the left side plugins and click on add new. So you need to search over here G Translate, and make sure not to give any spaces. So once you search this, you will end up over here and you will find multiple options out there, but you are going to click on the first one, translate WordPress with G Translate, and it's by Translate AI multilingual solutions. So you can just click on install now and activate it, obviously. So I have installed it and click on activate. So here we are. We can see that we have activated this plugin. You can easily access this settings obviously from over here. Otherwise you don't need to click over like plugins and go over here and click on settings. You just need to go over here on settings on the left side, and you will end up seeing G Translate. Click on it and it will take you right over here. So this is where you are going to edit every single thing, and you can see there are a lot of things going on, and I'm going to explain every single option and every single feature they are providing you. So right now you can see that the first option is widget look. So just suppose you want to show flags also with their native languages. So on the right side you can see this is the widget preview. This is how it will look like, and if you click on it you can see all the details, whatever you are going to show from over here. So you can see nice drop down with flags. So these are the flags, and this is how it will show up. So in my opinion, let's leave it that way, right? So mostly people recognize their flags, and even though they don't usually see their language, they might go for like finding, if there are so many languages, they might go for the flags, right? So let's move on. Translate from. So you can see my default language is English, obviously, and if they want to translate from like from which language, right, so it would be English. So after that you can see we have two options, and you can see you have to pay for the like if you want that. I have told you they also give like different URLs and what URL does, and subdirectly URL structure you can also check that, and subdomain URL structure you can also check that, and these are pro plans, and if I click on it, it will show up price plans. So I will show you that, just wait for it. and you can see auto switch to browser language. So I have told you about this, that if I'm going to open my website from any Arab countries, I will end up seeing in Arabic. This website, whatever my website is, it will show up as Arabic language. So that's what I'm saying. If you check that, that would be good in my opinion. And you can see show in menu. So what is show in menu? If you click on it, you can see that primary menu. If you want to show these options, obviously this language option in your menu, whatever your header would be, you can also do that. Primary menu, what if you have secondary menu, off canvas menu, logged in account menu, or footer menu. So whatever you have, it will show up on that menu, but I'm going with none because I want to show that over somewhere here. And if I want to show over somewhere here, I can set that like on the top left corner or on the top right corners. You can see the second option is the same, show floating language like this. So this is the floating widget preview, and if you click on it, you can see top left corner, it will show up over here on the top left, obviously. Top left with no scroll meaning you cannot scroll down. Top right, bottom left, bottom right. So these are multiple options which you can choose. Next thing is flag size. You can also like reduce the size of the pixels, these flags, right? Show native language names, you can also do that, obviously. uh, Flag styles, 3D or 2D, it's all on you. Monochrome flags, all those extra features they are adding. So after that, you can see we have multiple languages out there, and multiple you can select multiple languages. Right now we have Arabic, French, German, Chinese, English, Dutch, Italian, Portuguese, Russian, and Spanish. So you can see there are more over here, and if you click, um, there's a there was a different option over here, but right now it's not over here. Maybe it's in the pro plans. So that would like create these languages, like if I see any Spanish, like if I want to check Spanish, so it will be written as Spanish language, so not in English. So that's what my point is. So right now it's not over here, maybe it's in pro plan now. So if you scroll down, you will end up over here. This was the last option, and if you click on it on save changes, and for some reason, like any issue, it won't show up on your website or any error, so just click on save changes. Let's see. So changes have like saved, so I have no problem with that. So for some reason it won't show up, and it shows like a different error to you. So what you can do, you just click on I am having issue, or I have issue saving. So just click on it and just click on save changes. So it will debug the issue automatically. This plugin will debug the issue, and if only error occurs. Okay, so right now I don't have it, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. So now on, I'm going to open my website from over here, widget side, and you can see I have set that on top left corner, right? So let's see it will show up or not. So it's taking some time, and yes, it is over here. You can see I have my languages over here, and I have my scroll over here. If I click on Chinese or any other different language, it will change up to that. So you can see over here everything has been changed. So this is how you can easily do that, like multilingual solution. You can also do that very easily. So this plugin is one of the best in my opinion. So before you go, and I would say that go ahead and check out the pricing for different plans they are providing. Obviously, we were using the free version, and all languages you can access the all languages, but you have no options like URL translation. If like I have told you, it was like we couldn't check that, right? You have like $9 per month, $10 per month, sorry, $20 per month. Business is like $30 per month, and enterprise like $40 per month. So in my opinion, it's not that bad. And obviously, every single plan you can just try that out. Like if you want to try this plan for 15 days, you can also do that. Just click on it, and it will ask you some details over here like domain and email and a full name. So all of that, just continue that. It will be available for another 15 days for you if you want to try this, this plan. So in my opinion, is one of the best plugin to use this for your multilingual solution. And I hope you like this video. It's one of the best feature, one of the best plugin out there, and it's free. And for free version, you can see how many languages I can just convert that. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing. Please leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any queries, right? So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.